In this method, we will see how to draw the ellipse by using oblong method. So this method is much more similar to as that of rectangle method, which we have seen. Now let us understand this method to draw the ellipse by an example. The question is draw ellipse by oblong method. Draw a parallelogram of 100 mm and 70 mm long sides which included angle of 75 degree. Inscribe ellipse in it, and we have to draw the ellipse in which will be inscribed in the parallelogram. Now, when we talk about the steps will be similar to as that of rectangle method, but instead of rectangle, we will draw parallelogram over here. Now, first of all, we will draw a parallelogram of 100 mm by 70 mm, and this angle will be 75 degree. So simply we can draw the parallelogram. Now we will divide this parallelogram in two equal parts. Divide this 75, this 70 mm in 35 and 35 mm. So we can divide simply this parallelogram in two equal parts. Then after, mark 50 millimeter from here and 50 millimeter from here, and we can draw this line at a distance of 50 millimeter and 50 millimeter from here, and give the naming A, B, C, D. Now as that of rectangle method, we will divide this line in four equal parts, and we'll give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, and this line from A to this point 1, 2, 3, 4 equal part, and we will give the naming 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join all the points with point D, and from point C we will pass a line through this point 1, and it will intersect 1 to 2D, that gives a point. Similarly, we will pass a line from point C from point 2, and it will cut the line 2 to D. Similarly, we will pass a line from point C to point 3, which will cut a line 3 to D, that gives the points. So we can join all points. Similarly, on the right hand side also, we will repeat the same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide this line in 4 equal parts. Divide this line in 4 equal parts. After getting the points, simply join A to D with the help of French curve, and D to B with the help of French curve. And the bottom curve can be drawn by the marking D to B point on the French curve. We can reverse that French curve. We can mirror that. We can adjust that French curve. We can get B to C on the French curve, and we can directly draw. Okay, we can extend this line, and we can mark this distance. We can take this distance in a rounder, and we can simply mark, and we can join the points. So this is how we draw the ellipse by using oblong method.